In this video, we restore my very first RC car. First of all, it was time to remove the old drive shaft from the knackered gearbox. To fit it on the new shiny one. Once we did that, we separated the gearbox to get the motor mount out, and once we did that, it was time to put the pinion on the motor, which you'll see in a minute. And there it is. So once we did that, it was then time to attach the motor to the motor mount, as you can see right now. But don't get the motor mount the wrong way around like we did the first time, because we're idiots. So yeah, you put it all together and then grease it up. And then just put the gearbox back together. I'll say just, it is, oh no, many screws, and you have to, yeah, tighten them, of course. Because the engineer I am would give you really good advice, like I just did. So once the drive shaft was attached to the car, we shoved the gearbox in the car, put the little fiddly drive shaft in, and then tightened it to the chassis.